Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. Today, in this tutorial video, I will show you how to configure a blink animation for the symbol in, in the Plant SCADA project. Blink animation is a useful feature for, for drawing operator attention to the alarm or the critical state. As you can see, once my pump is tripped, it's showing me the animation that is look like the blink. The pump is blinking and is showing me that the pump needs some more attention. So let's see how we can configure like that in the plant SCADA. So we'll use the same project that we already created in our previous tutorial. So I will open the graphic builder and open the overview page. So this we already created for like in the previous tutorial, we learned on off multi-state and array type of the symbol property. Now for this, we'll configure the animated property. So animated property is a multiple frame is there. Once the value of is true, then this all frame one by one will run. So here I will in the off state, I want this gray color. Once the on, I want this to change into red and again into gray color. So once the my value is true, it always like move between these two frames. I will put it here, my pump trip tag. I will come here and I will just copy my motor trip tag and I will paste it here. So once this tag is true, then it will move between these two frame and it will show the some blink animation effect. Just apply OK. Just save it and close. Compile the project and run the project. Our project is successfully compiled without any error. Just run it. Click OK. So here right now the my pump trip is normalized. It's not a trip. Now I will change value this. So once the my tag value is true, then it's just moving between frame 1 and frame 2 and it's giving us the blinking effect. So Alhamdulillah, we learned in this tutorial video, if we want to blink our any of the color animation, so how we can configure in the plant SCADA. So thanks for watching this video.